Alright guys, what is up? In today's video, I'm going to be playing Monkey Bomb Tag. I'm sorry for the delay of YouTube gaming videos, but anyways, let's just get into the video. Oh shoot, I have the bomb first? Jeez. Yes, sir! Got him! Alright, dip to do it. Just dip. Oh my gosh. I played this on my Xbox on stream. This is the only time I've ever played this game. It looks so surreal on phone. Like, not even gonna lie. It looks crazy. No, no. On. Yeah! I survived it, Chad. I got him. I got that. I got one of the guys. Ashton fan joined. I'm gonna cook. Trust. On mobile, I do way better on games than on Xbox. Just trust. Oh shoot. I really like this game. Even though all you do is just run around and try not to get tagged, it's still a really fun game. Shoot, no! No! Yes! I tagged him back. Yes, sir. See, he still has the bomb. Oh, no. Oh, no. She's dead. Nope, GG's. No. Get off of the thing. Get the banana. Oh shoot, no, no, no. Run, run. Just dip. Go, go, go. Dip, dip, dip. Go, go. Dip, dip, dip. If I get the bomb next, I'm tagging this guy. He's just hiding back here, bro. He's just hiding. He ain't even doing anything. Like he hasn't done anything probably all game. And he's just hiding back here. I'm gonna tag him. And it's gonna be easy. Pretty freaking easy. Who's the bomb? Crap. Oh no! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. Yes! Oh, that was so clutch! Oh my gosh, that was so clutch. Holy clutch. Oh, that's, oh shoot. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Yo, that was so good. That was such a good play. But hopefully this summer I'm going to start doing a lot more gaming videos. I need to do a lot more because I have a whole entire list and it's completely, none of the videos I've completed yet. Absolutely none of them. So I need to lock in. I genuinely need to lock in. No. Please, please, please. No, 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 no. Please, please, please. No, 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 no. Please, please, please. No, 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 no. Please, save me. Spare me. Spare me. Please, spare me. Spare me. Spare me. Spare me. Please, bro. Oh, yes, he died. W's, 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 W's. It's gonna be like a 1v1. Oh, there's like 4 people left. Jeez, I didn't know these rounds lasted that dang long. I guess people really love this game. But dude, the way I clutched that she up is... No! Oh my gosh, she's chasing me. She's chasing me. Oh, shoot. I'm dipping. I'm out of here. No. 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 No, please. Say there's another person. Say there's another person. Say there's another person. Say there's another person. Say there's another person out here. Please. Please say there's another person. Where's Goku? Goku, Goku. No! I'm dead. GG's. That was so good, though. Hearts. 46 bananas earned and 3 tags. Alrighty. Let's go to my inventory. It's a grid. Wait, ooh, candy might sound tough. Candy might be... Ooh, legendary! And please. Oh, hold the bomb for the longest time. Oh, so you gotta hold the bomb, I'm pretty sure, instead of get tagged. Oh! Oh! Okay. I get the premise. I get the premise. I get the premise. Come here, Ashton. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, shoot. I'm cooked. So cooked. I'm so cooked. Oh my god. Yo, I'm actually kind of. Oh no! You freaking stupid. Okay. This guy's juking me. Where'd he go? Oh, he went over here. Oh my gosh, I was so close. Come on. No, please, 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 please. Save a lobby, bro. This little kid is a freaking grinder. No! I was so close. Oh, I got it! Yeah, I got it back! I got it! I got the bomb! No! Yes! Oh, dang it. I didn't win anything. The fact that I got it the last second is crazy. I'm hitting some good clips on mobile. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Some crazy clips. Right. I ain't trying to chat to people right now. I'm just trying to play the game, you know? I wonder if I tried to stream on my phone, what would happen? Because I haven't streamed on my phone in a long, long time. But I wonder what would happen, to be honest. I wonder. But who knows? Does this guy not tag anybody? Oh, let's go, Ashton. He didn't even tag me. He didn't even try. Yes. Dead. No. Tag him back, tag him back. No. Cracker, no. Say wallahi. I'm dead. You have GG's. What's this? Oh, a raven? Dang it. I got a raven. This time, I want to do cyber. Yeah, cyber looks cool. No! Right. There we go. Shoot. Oh, run. Oh my gosh. These trampolines don't do anything at all. These trampolines do not help with anything. They don't help me escape fast enough. These trampolines are useless. Literally, the trampolines are the most useless thing. I guess on Xbox I can do a lot better with the trampoline. Oh, got pretty close there. I guess on the trampolines, though, you do a lot better. But for me, I'm terrible. On the Xbox, I do it better on the trampolines. Pretty sure. Oh, crap. Plane. Ooh, the rainbow bomb. Goku has the bombs. Oh, shoot. Right, I could have gotten near him. I don't want to be risky. Dude, somebody else. no. He's right there. He's right there. Shoot. No. Yes. Let's go. Alright. The guy that tagged the last person has the bomb, but he's way far, so I'm good. I'm safe. Alright, we're getting a little close. It's good, though. No, that was terrible. No, please, 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 no, please, please, no. Oh my gosh, it's a battle, it's a battle. Yes, sir. All right. No, like me? No, I'm trying to find somebody close. Yes, sir. Run, just dip. Go, 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 go. No, no! No! Right in front of their face. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you guys like, sub, comment. Go sub to other channels in the link tree. I'm also probably going to start doing a lot more gaming channel videos. And anyways, I will see you guys in the next video.